In this video, you will be learning on how to show desktop icons in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So there are two ways in how to bring it up. First is you can press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Or you can navigate, which is a second. You can navigate at the button search bar and type for settings, and in that way you can see a best match under this window and click on open to continue. Now from here, all you need to do is you need to wait until the list of the option would be showing or would be ready for us. Once ready, please navigate directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate where the option called personalization. Tap on it and eventually you would be able to bring up the personalization settings. So here you need to click on themes. And since the goal of this video is to show desktop icons in our Windows 11 PC or laptop, then by that we need to scroll down and locate with related settings. And at the first of that, you can see their desktop icon settings. So click on this forward arrow so that you would be able to show up this kind of window which contains the desktop icons. So all you need to do is you need to close or minimize the settings first so that we can focus on this one. So in order to show the icons or a specific icon in the desktop, all you need to do is you need to navigate here under the desktop icons. You can see there a box. Okay, so this is very important because when you check the box and when you click on apply, the icons would be showing here at the desktop. So let's say for example you would like to add this PC. All you need to do is you need to click on computer, and the moment you click on apply, eventually it will be placed here. Okay, so you can see it is being placed here. And if you would like to go with user profiles or user files, click on it, click on apply, and again, eventually this your user files would be appearing here at the desktop. Okay, and if you would like to go with the network, click on apply, and eventually it would be added here. And if you would like to go with recycle bin, and it would be added here. Control panel, okay, then click on apply and then OK. And in that way, you would be able to add a control panel, which is a desktop icons in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So in this way, you can easily access your this PC where you can manage your computer as well as the drives that you are having. The control panel where you can see the computer settings, the network, the how to fix guides, which is my user account, as well as the recycle bin where you can delete the any deleted files forever, or you can restore. At least you have a chance to restore the deleted files that you have accidentally deleted or that you may have not purposely deleted and purposely deleted in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.